但是在直播间聊到自己
thing
想对英雄做的
right
改
now, I'm
动。
gonna write down each thing I should happen to each agent. Ready? I think for Neon, one slide. With recharge, I think we'll be completely fine and we'll balance out the agent. Then you have one bullshit ability, just like how Raze has a bullshit ability. ISO needs a rework. Terrible agent. Rework him and make him an actual, like, not unhealthy character. KJ's fine. Honestly, Omen's fine where he was, or where he is. Phoenix, I think the buffs are good for Phoenix. Raze, I think is fine now. Reyna, I think is fine. Sky, probably fine. I think with Clove, I think with Metal, this would not be a buff or a nerf, but something that you could do. So maybe the character could be played in pro play, but make it so you can detonate the orb thing. So like you can throw it as like a lineup and make it detonate when it hits like the ground. And then also allows you to detonate it at close range as well. I think would be completely fine. So you could throw it like a KJ molly and it could like land behind a default in sight and then you could like pop it, or you could just throw it and instantly click the button again to like pop it at a choke point. I think that would be really cool. Metal, I think that'd be good because it's not a nerf or a buff. It's just something that allows the character to kind of like Skyflash, kind of like, yeah. I think if it hits the ground, it will detonate, but it doesn't like detonate mid-air on a timer, because that's an issue with Phoenix. When you play Phoenix, you're limited to only a certain amount of molly lineups because the molly like flies up in the air and then straight down. So I think that would add some like dynamic gameplay into Clove, and possibly maybe you can see some Clove in pro play. But I think the one slide would be fine.